this week, the order is much bigger.
By the time you come to the factory yesterday, we had already checked half of the fabric rolls.
Yes, and I delivered the finished rolls to the warehouse last night.
Good. Tomorrow we will start working on the export order on Aeroban.
I check the samples every morning to make sure there are no defects in color or texture.
Before we bought the new sewing machines, we had to work with old ones that often broke down.
Last month, our production speed increased by 20% after the workers signed new training.
I will prepare the inspection report tomorrow and send it to the client.
And I manage the delivery schedule and confirm the transport company and facility every day.
When I joined the factory 5 years ago, the company had already exported products to the country.
2 days ago, I noticed a small defect in the dyeing process, but we fixed it before the shipment.
I will double check the packaging process later this afternoon.
We always try to mention high production started for our customer.
By last Friday, we had completed all the orders for the local market.
Last year, we shipped more than container overseas.
Next month, we will test a new type of eco-friendly fabric.
Right now, the team is working on the weaving section and everything looks smooth.
Before I started working here, I had been a driver for another textile company.
Last week, a buyer from Japan visited the factory and priced our quality.
If the client approves, we will start mass production immediately.
I make sure every shipment is documented before it leaves the factory.
Before the new manager arrived, the factory had used a different system for quality control.
We cut out the fabric carefully before loading them into the truck yesterday.
Next week, I will visit the port to monitor the lading process.
Our goal is to keep growing and expanding to more international